We'll guide you through how to extract audio from a screen recording on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here's the screen recording I wish to do this with. To get started, we need to find the Shortcuts app. By default, it'll be in the Utilities folder, but you can always drag down and search for it. Press Shortcuts in the bottom left and press the plus in the top right. Swipe down, press the I in the middle at the bottom and switch on Show in Share Sheet and press Done. What you want to do is where it says Receive, click Images and press Clear and then switch on Media and press Done. Next, press Search and you want to go and type in Encode and select Encode Media. Press the arrow to the right and switch on Audio Only. Then press Search at the bottom and go and type in Save and press Save File. Press the arrow to the right and just switch on Ask Where to Save. Press the arrow at the top now and press Rename and you can name this Extract. Press Done in the bottom right and then Done in the top right. Now you want to come back to the screen recording, press the share button in the bottom left and swipe down, find extract and tap there. Choose where you want to save it and press open in the top right and it will go. Now go and open up the Files app and you can find the audio where you saved it.